Struggling to manage multiple vacation rentals across various platforms can be overwhelming and frustrating for any host. What if there was a way to streamline your operations and enhance guest experiences all in one place? Welcome to Hostfully, a revolutionary property management solution that's making waves among rental hosts in 2025. The vacation rental market is booming, projected to reach an astonishing $113.9 billion by 2027. With this rapid growth comes increased competition, making efficient property management more critical than ever. As property managers, you face challenges that can make or break your business's success and reputation. Synchronizing calendars, maintaining guest communication, and ensuring a seamless check-in experience, all essential for success. Hostfully is designed to tackle these challenges with its all-in-one property management platform, PMP. Founded in 2015, Hostfully provides tailored solutions for small to mid-sized property managers seeking growth. Unlike competitors aimed at large businesses, Hostfully emphasizes personalized service for operators with fewer units. This focus has led to an impressive management of over 62,000 properties and thousands of bookings monthly. One standout feature is Hostfully's Channel Manager, synchronizing listings on major platforms effortlessly. Property managers report saving up to 25% of their time using Hostfully, streamlining their listing management process. Another essential tool is the unified inbox, combining all guest communications into a single location. Responding quickly and consistently can drastically improve your guest review ratings and overall satisfaction. With the direct booking website, property managers can avoid hefty commission fees from other platforms. This feature can increase profit margins by 15 to 20%, effectively boosting your bottom line significantly. Hostfully's task management system automates cleaning schedules and maintenance, ensuring properties are always guest-ready. Seamless payment processing features further simplify operations, making financial management a breeze for property managers. Elevating guest experiences through digital guidebooks proves to be a game-changer for rental managers using Hostfully. These digital guides provide essential information, reducing repetitive questions and enhancing guest satisfaction. Imagine providing tailored local recommendations to your guests, turning them into loyal return visitors. Unlocking additional revenue opportunities through upsells related to local activities can skyrocket your profits. The AI-powered itinerary creator takes personalization a step further, ensuring guests have a memorable stay. Hostfully connects with over 100 partner services, giving managers the ultimate customization capabilities. Dynamic pricing tools optimize your rates based on demand, ensuring you stay competitive in this bustling market. Effective guest verification services enhance security and reduce potential booking issues, safeguarding your reputation. When comparing Hostfully against competitors like Guesty and Cloudbids, it's clear Hostfully excels for smaller operations. With intuitive usability and superior digital guidebooks, many property managers find better value with Hostfully. Implementation is straightforward, involving assessment, data migration, setup, and training for your team members. Many users report visible operational improvements within just 1 month of utilizing Hostfully's comprehensive features. With Hostfully, your vacation rental management approach can evolve, turning challenges into opportunities for remarkable growth.